Take a ride in the 2015 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.